So I'm going to be demonstrating the stem stitch, and I'm using a large plastic needle with some yarn in it just so it's easy to see. Because it's so large, I'm using a piece of burlap so that the needle can go in and out. And for a stem stitch, what we're going to do is we're going to take very much like a straight stitch. We're just going to take an initial first stitch, and we want to have it a nice decent size. Pull it tight. Now you're going to go to the left. About halfway through your stitch, you're going to come up with your thread. Oops, here we go. Halfway through. Whoops, I accidentally pulled my thread out there. But that's alright, we'll leave it like that. Comb through. And then we're going to come the same distance here on the other side of that stitch and try to keep in the front of it. And back down. And again, we're going to do another one just as a demonstration here. Going to come again to the left about halfway up the stitch. And then the same distance from where we pulled out to the end of the stitch, we want to go beyond that. So you can see from here to here is about the same distance from here to here. And then we're going to pull it down. And there's another one. Again, come up to the left, halfway through, and up through the fabric and back down. That's about the same distance away, and just keep going that, and that is the stem stitch.